In this video, we will discuss that what is the difference between globalism versus globalization.
Globalism is an ideology based on the belief that people, information, and goods should be able to cross national borders unrestricted.
Globalization is the spread of technology, products, information, and jobs across nations. Globalism is the ideological component of globalization.
In globalization involves increasing interconnection between people and regions throughout the world.